Reading text. Student life. Reading. How do you read? Number 1. What kind of reader are you? Complete the quiz. Discuss your answer with partner. The reading quiz. Number 1. I like to read. A. At a desk or table. B. In a comfortable place. C. On a journey. D. Anywhere. My answer is B. In a comfortable place. Number 2. I read blank blank blank. Read slowly and carefully. A. Always. B. Usually. C. Sometimes. D. Never. My answer is C. Sometimes. Number 3. When I read something in English. A. I check every new word in a dictionary. B. I check a few of the new words. C. I just read and try to understand. D. I only look at the pictures and the headings. My answer is E. I check every new word in a dictionary. Number 2. Look at the words in the box. Do we usually read these things slowly or quickly? Complete the table on the compare answer with a partner. Newspaper, poem, textbook, novel, magazine, report, telephone, dictionary, and definition. Read quickly is newspaper, telephone, dictionary, definition, magazine. Read slowly is poem, textbooks, novel, and report. Number 3. Read the magazine article. How do you read? Compare your list in the exercise 2 with the information in article. How do you read? People read in the many different places. For example, in a park, on a bus, or in a car. This is because books, newspapers, magazines, and so on are easy to carry. We also read in many different ways and different speeds. Sometimes we read quickly. We just want to get the general idea from a newspaper article, a report, or a book in the bookshop. Perhaps we want to know what it's about, or if it is skimming, interesting, or important. We call this type of reading skimming. We also read quickly to get a particular piece of the information, such as the date, telephone number, or the name of a restaurant. This is called scanning. We scan timetables, telephone directories, dictionaries, and web pages. At other times, we need to read more carefully. For example, we read a textbook, an article, or a report to understand everything. This is called intensive reading or study reading. Then we read slowly and check the meaning. We use our dictionaries a lot to help us. Perhaps we take notes and try to remember things. Sometimes we need to learn things by heart. For example, a poem or a mathematical question. Number 4. Read study skill. Math situation 1 until 3 with the ways of reading A to C. Study skill ways of reading. A good reader reads is different ways. Sometimes you read slowly and carefully, or intensive reading or study reading. At other times you read quickly for the general idea, or skimming, or for information or scanning. A good reader chooses the right way to read. Situation number 1. Reading a chapter of physics textbook to understand a topic. Ways of reading. A. Study reading. Number 2, looking for a room number on an exam timetable. Ways of reading: C. Scanning. Number 3, choosing an interesting book to read. Ways of reading: B. Skimming. Thank you.